Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a nature logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo option next to the t-shirt button, and in the features section scroll down and you can find the nature logo option, and here select a template and new you can edit. If you want to add if you want to add text to your project, click to the text button, write your text, and if you finish, click to the done button. In the font section you can find a different font type and just select an another. And if you want to change the color of your text, click to the color section and just select an another color. If you want to add the graphic elements or pictures to your project, go to the graphic option, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, and the photo section you can upload images from your device. If you go to the section, select color and new, you can draw on your project. And if you go to the brush section, here you can find different objects and elements, and just select one, for example the butterfly, and new you can add the butterflies to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.